ॐ पुलिङ्गुटी निवासाय पद्मवासिनी समेताय कायसिन भूमिपतये नमः.
Eons ago, Lord Vishnu journeyed across the earth with goddess Lakshmi, riding upon his mighty vehicle Garuda. As they soared above the sacred river Thamirabarani, their eyes fell upon its serene waters and fertile lands. Enchanted by its beauty, the divine couple descended upon a golden sandbank, their hearts filled with joy and affection. But unseen by them, sage Narada watched with his ever-curious gaze. Mischievous as always, he went straight to goddess Bhumadevi and spoke of what he had seen. Overcome by jealousy and sorrow, Bhumadevi left Vaikuntha and descended into the depths of the netherworld. Without her grace, the earth grew barren. Rivers dried, crops failed, and life itself began to fade. Alarmed, the Devas turned to Lord Vishnu and pleaded for his mercy. The compassionate Lord understood the cause of their suffering and descended to the underworld to console Bhuma Devi. With boundless love he said, Lakshmi and you are both one to me, you are both the forms of my divine compassion. Hearing these words, Bhuma Devi's heart softened. Her sorrow dissolved into love and she returned to Vaikuntha. The earth flourished once again. Rivers flowed, trees blossomed, and life returned in abundance. From that sacred day, Lord Vishnu was worshipped as Bhumi Palaka Perumal, the divine protector and nurturer of the earth. Time flowed like a gentle river, and another tale emerged. Lord Indra, king of the Devas, once bore the heavy curse of Brahmahatya dosha, the sin of taking a sage's life. On the advice of sage Brihaspati, Indra came to this holy place and created a sacred pond. With deep devotion, he performed penance to Bhumi Palaka Perumal. Pleased with his sincerity, the Lord appeared before him and washed away his sin. That pond became known as Indra Thirtham. Filled with gratitude, Indra decided to perform a great yagna beside the holy waters. But as the sacred flames rose, an asura appeared to destroy the ritual. The Devas trembled in fear, and Indra cried out for help. In a flash of light, Bhumi Palaka Perumal appeared, wielding his divine discus. With one swift motion, he struck the demon. As the chakra touched him, the asura transformed into a radiant being of light. He revealed that in a previous birth, he had been Yagna Sharma, a Brahmin cursed to live as a demon for offending the sons of sage Vasishta. The curse had also foretold that Lord Vishnu himself would one day release him. Freed from darkness, the soul bowed before the Lord and ascended to his celestial realm. Indra completed his yagna with joy and offered his heartfelt prayers to Bhumi Palaka Perumal, the Lord who removes sin, restores balance, and blesses all who seek him with faith. The sacred temple of Thirukkudur, one of the revered Navatirupati shrines, is dedicated to this divine form. It is associated with the planet Buddha, the graha of intellect and clarity. Worship here brings wisdom, confidence, success, and peace. It clears confusion and strengthens understanding. So come, join the Navatirupati Yatra with My Temple Yatra. Let us journey together to Thirukkudur, bow before Bhumi Palaka Perumal, and receive his blessings of light, wisdom and eternal grace.